Welcome to a world where technology meets magic. Welcome to the world of AI. Hello, curious minds.
AI Fairy, and I'm here to sprinkle some magic and knowledge into the world of artificial intelligence. AI.
Don't worry, you don't need a tech degree to understand AI. I'll guide you through the incredible, sometimes puzzling world of AI, from how it works to how it's changing everything around us. Whether it's making our lives easier or opening doors to new possibilities, we're going to uncover it all together. So, get ready to explore the enchanting world of artificial intelligence. And remember, with a little magic, anything is possible. Here are 5 important things to know about AI. Number 1. AI is designed to mimic human intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, involves creating systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem solving, learning, decision-making, and language understanding. This includes fields like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Number 2. Types of AI. There are generally 2 types of AI: narrow AI, weak AI. This is specialized in one task, like recommendation systems, voice assistants, or image recognition. It doesn't possess general intelligence or consciousness. General AI, strong AI. This is still theoretical and refers to a machine that could perform any intellectual task a human can, exhibiting human-like cognitive abilities. Number 3, machine learning is key. Most modern AI systems use machine learning, a subset of AI where computers learn patterns from data without explicit programming. Deep learning, a type of machine learning, uses neural networks to process large amounts of data and improve predictions or decisions. Number 4, AI impacts many sectors. AI is transforming industries such as healthcare, diagnostic tools, finance, fraud detection, algorithmic trading, automotive, self-driving cars, and entertainment, content recommendations, game AI. It also has applications in agriculture, education, and cybersecurity. Number 5, ethics and bias. As AI grows in importance, there are concerns about its ethical implications. AI systems can inherit biases from the data they are trained on, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Ensuring transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI is a significant focus in its development. Understanding these fundamentals can help you grasp the current state and future potential of AI. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and sometimes confusing topics out there: artificial intelligence. What exactly is AI, and how is it changing the world around us? Let's break it down. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of machines or computers to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, reasoning, problem solving, and even understanding language. AI uses data and algorithms to learn from experiences, improve over time, and make decisions based on patterns and trends it identifies. Now, there are different types of AI. Let's break them down. The most common type of AI today is narrow AI. This is AI that's designed to do one specific task and do it well. Think of things like Siri, Netflix recommendations, or even self-driving cars. Narrow AI can't think outside of its programmed task. It's specialized but not intelligent in the way humans are. Then there's general AI. This is still theoretical and would be an AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human can. Imagine a robot that could learn any new skill, solve complex problems, or have a conversation just like you or me. And finally, there's superintelligence. an AI that surpasses human intelligence in almost every way. We're not there yet, but it's a fascinating idea to think about. AI is already everywhere, from the apps we use daily to more advanced applications in healthcare, finance, and even entertainment. AI in healthcare is revolutionizing how doctors diagnose diseases, predict treatment outcomes, and even discover new medicines. In finance, AI is helping with everything from fraud detection to stock trading, analyzing massive amounts of data to make smarter decisions. As amazing as AI is today, the future of AI is even more exciting. We're talking about smarter automation, more personalized experiences, and potentially life-changing advancements. But with all that potential, there are also big questions about ethics, privacy, and job displacement. So, to sum it all up, artificial intelligence is all about creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions, and it's transforming every industry it touches. While we're not at the level of creating super smart robots just yet, AI is already improving our daily lives in ways we may not even realize. The question now is, how will AI continue to evolve, and how can we make sure it benefits humanity? Thanks for watching.